What's up everybody and welcome to Easync channel, and at this video we have a huge update from Aqualine with a new feature that they add recently and we tested in the last 30 days with all our customers, which is shipping from one geolocation. It means all your items, which is converted to Aqualine tracking numbers, will shipping just from one zip code. And what the benefits that we're getting from this, that all the eBay accounts will not anymore be flagged, and also you can increase your selling limits, which is very important with the holidays now and all the selling conversion that we have right now in the end of the year. So let's dive in and I will show you exactly how to do it and how to set up it to get all these benefits from Aqualine. So first of all, we're going to our repricing settings, and doesn't matter which source market, Aqualine support all the source market, com, UK, Canada, France, Germany, and so on. And in our example here, it's Amazon.com. If we go down, you can see here the postal code. It's very important that you will put one zip code that you wish. Also, eBay required, if you got some emails from them, that please update your zip code. They want to see that you're shipping all the items from one place. So once you put your zip code here, make sure you save it. And then you go to your fulfillment settings, tracking settings, and make sure it's enabled, of course. Replace tracking carrier. You can choose only Amazon carriers, but my suggest to do it with all the tracking numbers to convert it to Aqualine, and you can choose here all the sources that you want. Also, the previous feature that we had, that is instant replace. It means that every item that you recently make an order, after a few seconds we provide the tracking number. The tracking number will not change until the item is delivered to your customer. So use this feature. This feature is very huge, something very unique with Easync, and good luck and happy sales. See you in the next videos and good luck.